Thank you. Yeah. Well, I always wanted to win an Academy Award, and this is the closest thing I'll get, and I will take it because I know that I've made much more of a difference with this than I'll ever get as getting an Academy Award, I think. So anyway, thank you guys. I really have no words other than when we were talking this morning with some teachers. We are like, I think we're getting an award. This is a really big deal. What's going on? I had no idea. And I really thought that when you got up to present that all of the teachers here at Lyons-Decatur Northeast, along with our administration, were getting an award. Because I think that the school just deserves like a national recognition because I just think we're awesome. And I know that we are small, but we are mighty, and we are so talented from athletics to theater arts and science fair, and I don't know, and we're also just super cool. So anyway, just thanks for letting me be a part of this and growing with it. And I never in my wildest dreams thought that this is where my career would lead me. But I love my job. I tell people that every day, and this is why. So thank you so much, very much.